Hi guys, it's Maggie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this makeup tutorial. I did use two Juvia's Place palettes. I got the Masquerade palette, which looks like this. I think this one was one of the first palettes they launched. These are the colors right here. They're very nice, very pigmented. And I also used the Zulu palette, which is slightly smaller. I think this one was one of their newer ones. I got this one as well. That's how I achieved this look right here. If you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is put some concealer on my eyes to prime. I'm using my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer and blend it out with this brush right here. I am setting it because I don't want my concealer to move. I'm going in with this palette first. It's the Zulu palette. The first color I'm going to use is this color right here, the orange shade in the top right. I'm focusing that all over the crease, starting in the outer, and I'm gonna move inwards. I'm going to take the pink shade from down here. I'm going to add a little bit of that to my outer lid. I'm going back and just blend. I'm going to the Masquerade palette and take the color right here called Ada and deepen my crease with it. Once again, I'm just blending. I'm going to cut my crease so I can add the yellow. I'm going to add this yellow right here on my inner corner. I'm adding more of the pink shade just to brighten it a little bit. And go back with the yellow. Going back with the pink. I'm just gonna keep going with the pink and yellow until they're both blended. I'm blending a little bit more. I'm going in with a small angled brush that looks like so. I'm going to put a little bit more concealer between my crease and my lid.
I'll be
I'm going back to all the shadows that I use on top and just fix that. I'm actually setting that with a light eyeshadow that isn't from the palette. To highlight my inner corner, I'm going to be using these two shades right here. I'm going to use my Kat Von D tattoo liner to line my eyes. I'm going to add some lashes on and finish the rest of my face. I'll be right back. For the bottom lash line, I'm going to do the same thing I did on top. I'm going to start out with the orange. Then I'm going to add the pink. I'm actually just gonna leave these two colors, the orange and the pink. For lips, I'm going to be using my Tarte Tartist lip paint in the color Front Row. So yeah, this is what I came up with. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and that little bell right next to it so you can be notified every time I upload a video. But yeah, I upload every single week, so I'll see you guys back on my next video. Bye.